We all know a commercial roofing project can be a daunting task. In this video, we're going to cover how the technical reps at West Roofing Systems carefully customize a quote for you. Hi, I'm Colin with West Roofing Systems. I sat down with 4 of our technical reps to walk through the steps of creating a custom roof quote.
Nothing happens in the organization without a sale. And you can't have a sale without a proposal. And you can't have a proposal without an opportunity. So we get a lead or an opportunity. It might be phone call on line 1. So the call comes in and we qualify that lead. We want to make sure that we do and can provide what you need. Once we've qualified that need, we're going to set an appointment to come perform an assessment.
The sales lead comes in, we make contact with the customer.
We come out and do a field inspection of your roof, in which we will pull cores out of your roof to determine the existing makeup of your building.
And then asking them what they'd like to see become part of the roofing, solution from their standpoint.
Kind of ask a couple of key questions, what they're looking for, what their real big problems are that they're facing.
Then we will take that information along with our measurements and field drawings and photos.
To be able to take it back to the office and pull a proposal package together.
You'll get back to your office and you take that information, begin to compile it. And the first thing you want to do is develop the cost.
Once we've come up with that number, we put together a scope of work for your building, which will detail and outline from start to finish what we're going to do on your building.
That's associated with all the different things that you're going to propose that need to be removed, replaced, changed, or gone over.
We break down all that data and try to determine what the best solution is going to be. Every roof is unique, so they're not all the same. Each one has a different logistics challenge. Each one has a different insulation or drainage or multiple units on the roof. So each one is custom designed to that facility and to that owner's needs and wants.
And then part of that package includes a survey report, a drawing of the roof that may differentiate the different areas and different things that we found on the roof during the survey, to a comprehensive scope of work and proposal.
After that process is done, that's sent back to the customer, or we deliver it to you and kind of explain and go over exactly what it is we're proposing to do.
The information can be presented in person. That is not the most common way I see things to be presented. Typically, it's sent through an email process.
So once that proposal's delivered, hopefully within a week or two, we hear back and the decision's made positively in our favor.
And then we jump into the negotiation phase, where maybe they want to do areas 1 and 3 and not area 2. So we may have to go back and revise some pricing and whatnot.
We either look for that proposal to be signed. We utilize that as a contract document. Oftentimes the customers will provide a purchase order that'll act as the contract, or we'll execute an actual AIA contract and perform the work.
So if you've got some roofing needs and you're ready to take the next step, give us a call, 1-800-356-5748. You can go to our website, westroofingssystems.com. Give us a call. We're ready to come out and take a look at your roof and get the ball rolling.